How to ignore spam calls on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio. So if you want to ignore unknown calls from a Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's the step-by-step guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to ignore spam calls, you just need to go ahead and open up the settings first, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit from here and then go ahead and tap on notifications, and inside the notification go and tap on do not disturb, and inside this one it's currently turned off, so you actually have to do a little settings in it. So now to do that, you just need to go ahead and scroll down and tap on calls and messages, and once you tap on these you'll get to see the also allow option. You can actually go ahead and tap on these and you'll get to see a few different options will pop up: favorite contact only, contacts only, and all. So if you select all calls will be allowed when the do not disturb mode is enabled. So all you have to do now to ignore all the spam calls, you just need to select contact only, and once you do that you're pretty much good to go. Just last thing that you have to do, just to get back from here, I'll get to see the do not disturb. You can go ahead and enable this, and also you can enable this option by swiping down from the very top and do it again, and then find out the do not disturb here, and you can enable and disable it from here as well. And once the do not disturb mode is enabled, you won't get any spam calls on your device except your contact. And when you want to get all the calls, you can turn off the do not disturb mode from here as well. And this is how you actually can ignore spam calls on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.